Alright. Whakalofa to my ko, welcome back. Just osieka I Bivacco. Te tongi te. Man, makona lahi e manawa haku. Whiwhi lahi ho, mai eki ke te tongi. Ko e uka, tau uka ke te tongi. A cheap. Morning, just finished breakfast slash lunch, brunch at Bivacco. It was a buffet. It was pretty good. It had, what do we have? We had tuna, prawn, lamb, pork, roast beef, some desserts. Man, hard to get off the table after we finished. So just walking back to the car park. Bivacco is in the viaduct if you didn't know. And if you like your buffets, it's alright to check out. Never been there before, so now I've been there. It almost seems like it's a bit Italian. It's Italian buffet the way they've made their food, but right by the viaduct, lots of different type of people. I was expecting to see a few islanders because we love our buffet, and sure enough there was a couple sitting in front of us. Yeah man, buffet's the way to go, because I swear I must have ate like at least $200 worth of food with the amount of plates. The guy kept on coming back and saying, "You done? Yep. You finished?" But I'd go back, get another plate. We all know that story. But yeah, it's good. Just made sure I ate a lot of protein and not much bread and sweets and rice. So where are we? That's on Custom Street. It's Sunday, heading back. Can't wait. Got a few more weeks. I think I got about maybe like 7 weeks before we go to Raro. So looking forward to that. And then a few more weeks after, 2 weeks after that is our trip to Fiji. So now it's time to get serious. Now it's time to go back to the oats and broccoli. No more buffets. No more going out now. Time to knuckle down and eat healthy. Get in shape. My jeans, they used to feel loose. Now they're tightening up. Had a weekend at in the city. Went to Fortuna for breakfast. Went to Fortuna for dinner. Went to this place called Wongs. If you didn't know, Fortuna hake te e tau prices. For dinner at Fortuna used to cost $44 per person. Now it's $76 per person. So price is going up, so I won't be going back there anytime soon. But that's all good. Yeah. So hopefully can cut down. I think I'll put on a few kgs. Hopefully can shape up for the next 7 weeks. Okay, mawhala, catch up. Whakalawhatu. Yeah, almost back. If you stay at Sky City, you get a free car park apparently. So we don't have to pay for car parking. I don't gamble, so I wouldn't know how the luck on the machines are going. But a lot of Pacific Island people do. It's quite common. Here we go. This is the foyer of the casino. If you're wondering, and you've always wondered, this is Kung Fu Panda here. That's the doorway, stairway to the promised land. If you're lucky, come have a crack. They've got blackjack, poker, baccarat, roulette tables, and machines galore. But yeah. Hey guys, what's up guys? We had my sister Missy's birthday. Got Vaughn going his hair back. Yep. Flora. Some people are not here. Some people at Formosa Ridges Hotel. Oh, look, we got a good kai. There's the birthday girl here. Happy birthday, miss. Manuini a whanaha.
Ako e lahi. 23 today.
Whee!
Yes.
Oh, tolu. We're just waiting for Gus, eh?
Yeah, we're waiting for Gus.
And then,
we've got a cake in the fridge.
Yum.
So yes, thank you for coming.
Yeah, any, what's the word? Ambitions for this year? Plans for this year?
Yes, heaps of ambitions. But the main thing is stick to the basics and go from there. As long as we stay in the moment, do what we know, and then everything will fall into place from there, and just go, keep moving forward, keep reaching your goals, follow your values, and have a good life. Be kind to people, and enjoy life. Yeah, that's my advice. It's my little piece of wisdom for everybody.
Whakaoe. Then you can be a millionaire like my sister. Yeah.
Yes.
I can see them everywhere. Come on, over here. Come on. Right, listen here.